Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest updates on the most luxurious and sought after properties in the city. Today, we are here to talk about ATS Le Grandiose in Sector 150 Noida, a project that has taken the real estate market by storm. ATS Le Grandiose is a premium residential project located in Sector 150 Noida, which is rapidly emerging as one of the most desirable locations in the city. The project offers spacious 3 and 4 BHK apartments that are designed to cater to the needs of modern urban living. The apartments in ATS Le Grandiose are a perfect blend of luxury and comfort. The interiors are thoughtfully designed and feature premium fitting and fixtures. The project offers a range of amenities, including a swimming pool, a clubhouse, a gymnasium, and a landscaped garden, among others. The location of this project is another major selling point. Sector 150 Noida is well connected to the rest of the city and offers easy access to major highways and expressways. The area is rapidly developing and has a range of social infrastructure, including schools, hospitals, and shopping malls. So, if you're looking for a luxurious and comfortable home in a prime location, ATS Le Grandiose in Sector 150 Noida is definitely worth considering. That's all from us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such updates. Thank you for watching.